Step number 1, click on Start Writing. Step number 2, copy this entire article that this artificial intelligence tool has created for you. Step number 3, paste this article into this tool, which will turn it into a done for you video. Doing this, I've been able to reach hundreds of thousands of views on Facebook Reels, which I've been able to monetize and make anywhere between $100 and $600 a day on digistore24.com. You don't need your own camera for this. You're not going to be creating any of your own content. In fact, we don't even need any social media following on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and wherever else you can think of. The purpose of today's video is to teach you in this easily understandable step-by-step tutorial how to do this without creating any content of your own. All you need is the ability to click on the Start Writing button on this website, come over to this tool, which will automatically turn this entire article into a done for you video. Both these platforms are completely free to use, and anybody can do this to make multiple streams of income through this content. In fact, this video is bringing you even closer to $10,000 a month utilizing Facebook Reels and Metaverse Reels without even creating your own content. I suggest you pay close attention to this video and watch each and every single step that I'm going to show you in today's video, because I'm going to lay out this entire tutorial in the most easily and understandable step-by-step format so that you don't miss any important information that I give you, so that you can go and replicate this and make money online yourself. You'll see this person over here on Facebook Reels called QNota is doing something very similar, creating these Facebook videos on Facebook Reels and getting thousands of views without even creating any of their own content. This person on Facebook called QNota is doing something very similar, creating videos through automated text and generated videos giving specific tips, advice, and information on particular topics, and they are getting thousands of views doing this exact same thing. If I go and open up one of their videos and you click on play, you can see a lot of these texts and images are just generated from stock video websites. None of this content is recorded themselves or edited themselves. All they needed to use is a tool like this one to go and automatically create their content. This is a great side hustle which can become a main stream of income to start your own Facebook Reels business, to open up multiple streams of income through ad revenue, through affiliate commissions, merch sales, and various other ways that you can make money online from your content. Here's another example of another page called Health Tips, again doing something very simple, uploading generated videos giving specific information. For example, this one over here is how my acne healed, and if I go and click on this video, you'll see this video has an automated generated voice with stock videos and text. None of this is recorded themselves, none of this is edited themselves. All of this is created through the following artificial intelligence tools that I'm going to be showing you. If I come over to the homepage, you'll see over here they're selling some kind of merchandise. If I click on this link, it will most likely take me to their online store. So this is specifically how this page is making money online off of their automatically generated videos in the health and weight loss niche. So you'll see over here it takes me to this t-shirt which you can buy for $22, which is exactly how they make their money. Now we're going to be using something different called affiliate marketing, which pays much better, gets much better conversions, which ultimately leads to more money online for you. Remember, you don't only have to use Facebook for this. You can post these same videos on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, rumble.com, and various other video platforms to 4 times your traffic and views and your revenue and your clicks on your affiliate links to ultimately make more money online. I'm talking specifically about Facebook in today's video because Facebook Reels is one of the most hardest pushing short video platforms on the internet right now. The reason being is because they only launched Facebook Reels this year. They're trying to compete with Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok by purposely pushing content creators out, getting their videos to a much wider reach. In order to go and get started with this and to get an idea of what type of content you want to go and make, you can come over to clickbank.com, sign in with your account, click on Marketplace on the top right, and you will see various different categories on the left-hand side over here, from betting systems to business and investing, computer and internet, cooking, food and wine, e-business and e-market, education and teaching, fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, one of my favorite categories. So I recommend go and create a Facebook Reels page with a name based on any one of these categories. So if you want to go and do health and fitness, go over to Google, use a business name generator, and use that name for your Facebook page. For the example of today's video, we are going to be using health and fitness. In order to go and get started with actually creating our content, you want to come over to a tool called writer.me. That's RYTR.me. Click on Start Writing over here, and you can easily go and click on Create a New Document. Under the Choose Use Case, click on Blog Section Writing. For your topic, we can go and type here, tips to lose weight. For your section keywords, we can go type here, weight loss, keto, and how to lose weight. Go and click on Write for Me. It will automatically generate a done for you paragraph on a couple of tips on how to lose weight. So the following says, weight loss is a complicated process that requires a lot of patience and perseverance. However, there are some simple tips that can help you lose weight faster than you would have thought possible, and it gives you tips over here. You can now go and copy this text and turn it into a done for you Facebook reel that's less than 60 seconds long, a TikTok, a YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, and post it all over the place. But in order to go and do that, copy this text or just leave it open in a tab so we can come back to it. Come over to invideo.io. That's invideo.io. Click on login or sign up if you don't have an account. Click on sign up. I'm going to log in with my existing account. Once you've signed in, your dashboard will look like this. Look for the text to video option and click on it. And over here, it will suggest to you a bunch of different templates that you can use for your video. I recommend look for something that's got to do with gymming, weight loss, health and fitness, outside, running. You kind of just want to fit the theme together into one awesome brand. So I'm going to go and choose, I like the template of this one over here, of this person running through the forest. So we can go and click on this theme. Make sure you go and click on portrait format for Facebook Reels because it needs to be in the vertical portrait format. Click on use template. Simply go and add your headline, top 6 unknown tips to lose weight. Let's just go and correct spelling. Simply, we can go and copy this article that writer.me has generated for us. Come back to invideo.io, paste your text over here. Make sure auto suggest images and videos are selected. Click on next, and in a couple of seconds, this entire tool will generate this done for you Facebook reel. It will automatically generate your own video with a done for you song, each and every scene as I drag it through with each and every tip. And as you can see over here, what I want you to do is on the left hand side, go and click on text, click on, for example, this one, just add it as a new scene. And at the top, as you can see over here, at the top, go and double click on the text so it will open up the edit text section. Type the following. Click on link in bio to get your own custom diet for weight loss suited for your body type. That's all you need to do. That's the only editing we need to do in this entire process. As you can see, it took me maybe 20 seconds to go and type this out. Thirdly, we now need to go and export this video and save it to our PC to make it ready for upload. So click on export on the top right. Click on export again. And in a couple of seconds, it will process this entire video and save it to your PC. This video has now been rendered. Click on the download button and it will save to your PC. And the final part of this video is to come over to the Facebook page that you have just created. So doing something similar in the entrepreneurship and finance niche, I've been able to reach my page to 44,000 followers. Now, how I make money off my page is through affiliate sales and also monetizing my YouTube channel with more views on YouTube. You want to come over to Facebook Reels on your mobile device. I'll put a screenshot up on the screen. And you want to click on upload as reel, and you want to upload the video as is. And then thirdly, all you need to do is just click on, for example, the comment section of your video, and you want to go and type over here, get your, why did this not work? Get your custom diet created for you and your specific body type here.
You can put a little arrow, and then all you want to do is come over to clickbank.com, come over to health and fitness, click on diets and weight loss, go and look for any affiliate program that is relative to weight loss. So I'm going to go and use the custom keto diet, where you will get paid $67.55 commission every time you make a sale, and $19 a month reoccurring passive income based on their subscription program. Click on promote, go and click on create hop link, go and copy your affiliate link over here, come over to a website called bit.ly, click on create new link on the top left, click on link, go and paste your long URL on the right hand side over here, click on create, and over here you'll see it's now created your short little link, and go and type here your custom diet for your custom diet. Click on save. Okay, this one's already taken, so that means we can go and type here for you. Go and click on save. Let's see, this is available. Okay, this one's available. You can now go and copy your newly shortened link and go and paste that over here. Now, what's great about this, you can go and replicate this not only on Facebook Reels, you can go and repost on YouTube Shorts, TikTok and Instagram Reels, and build an audience on every social media platform possible. You can even go and post this on Twitter if you'd like, and go and replicate this virality and your views on all the platforms possible. The more the merrier. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more. I'm going to give you an entire playlist on specifically how to make money and monetize, build a brand, and build a business out of short video content on TikTok, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. I've got an entire course on YouTube with all the best videos that I've made on this particular topic in this playlist somewhere over here on the screen. So what I recommend is, if you want to go and implement this with various other strategies as well and get some more knowledge on other tools that are out there that will help you in creating your own content, go and click on this playlist over here and you will see everything that you need to know. So make sure to go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.